Hello everyone. Maybe a year or two ago there was this big craze with these 360 degree cameras that gave you a full view around the whole camera. And the technology is kind of neat. They would use two or more sensors and then stitch the results together. Now, probably every single person watching this video right now has benefited from this technology in the form of Street View on Google Maps and similar services, where they have, I don't know if you've ever seen one, maybe I'll find a quick image, but they're just regular cars, and they've got this camera pod thing on top of them with many cameras on it. And what they do in post is they stitch together the imagery from those cameras to give you a relatively seamless 360 degree perspective. You can open up Street View, look any direction you want. So at the consumer level, there's been lots of really expensive solutions, and although I've been interested, I've never been willing to pay for it. Until now. I saw this guy a few weeks ago. Vupoint, I guess, Vupoint. And it was relatively cheap. It was under $100. So I thought, you know what? Let's give it a try, give it a splurge. The thing that sold me, actually, is it has a USB-C connection. And it connects to your smartphone, which is kind of nice. Obviously, it reduces the cost if you don't have a screen, and most of these cameras use that anyway. So I figured, why don't I just open it up on camera and see what it's like. Let's give it a try. So this is actually, I haven't opened this, so you're seeing things as I first see them. So let's see. So right off the bat, as is common these days, and we can probably thank Apple for this, packaging has really gotten better. Like, the presentation, honestly, to me, is not that important, but obviously to the market it is, and they've done a good job. So this is a nice chunky box. We'll see how it goes. Thank you for choosing Vupoint. I'm assuming Vupoint. I feel like saying Vupoint because there's no E in there, but anyways. So, alright, well, doesn't get much more complicated than that. That's interesting. That's nice. So that's the camera. We'll have a quick look at that in a second. But let's see what else is in the box. Oh, wow. That's nice. It's a little pouch. Actually, I really like that. That's, I didn't expect that. I kind of just bought this sight unseen. So, okay. What else is in here? Okay, a micro USB cable. That's interesting. What does it need that for? That's it. Okay. A little confused. Oh, right. Okay, yeah. This is something. Okay, let's just get this out of the way. This is something that confused me when I first saw it. It plugs into your phone, right? That's how you use it. But it has a battery in it. And the only reason I know that is because the container it came in had that little, you know, this item has a lithium-ion battery in it, sticker, danger, danger, Will Robinson. Interesting. All right. Funny thing is it doesn't actually mention the battery anywhere. Okay. But why does it have a micro USB? I thought it's USB-C. Oh, no. Okay. Let's put this away. That's nice. I like that. How to charge. Oh. Okay. It actually has... It has two connectors, USB-C connector, and, well, I guess that makes sense, because the USB-C is oh, okay, yeah, alright. Still confused why it even has a battery. Couldn't it just be charged by or couldn't it just be powered by the camera? By your smartphone? Interesting. Alright, well, anyways, let's get this stuff off here. Again, the presentation, it's very well done. Okay. Now, I gotta say, this thing is not light. This thing is built. It's heavy. That's impressive. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I'm getting impressed by build quality the last few days. All right. Well, anyway, so here it is. This camera uses two sensors. There's one here and one here. Both these lenses are designed to view at least 180 degrees in every direction, which, if you think about it, it's pretty cool. It means if you're looking at it like this, the sensor can still see you. If you're looking at it like this, the sensor can still see you. There's a little hole. I'm guessing that's for the microphone. There's another hole. Guessing for the another microphone. All right, so here are the ports. That's interesting. So, yeah, it's got a USB-C port and a micro USB slot, so interesting. Well, I guess the next step is to plug it into my phone and see what happens. Okay, that was a bust. It won't turn on. Looking at the instructions here, it says to charge it and then download the app and then connect and control. And the first step of that is to press the power button to turn on the camera. Well, press the power button. Turn on camera. Nothing. All right, so, all right, we're going to have to continue this later because it probably needs to be charged. Well, that sucks. All right. I'll have to wait. You won't. Next video, we'll connect it to a phone and see what happens.